Hello everyone, welcome back again with me to the Koniago channel. In this time, I will show you how to make piston valve use Solidworks like this. Without wasting time, let's start it. First part, we make a block. Go to front plane, active circle, click this point to this point, active smart dimension, my circle diameter is 40 mm. Active extrude boss, my extrude boss parameter is 46 mm. Click this face, click sketch. Active circle, click this point to this point, active smart dimension, my circle diameter is 68 mm. Active extrude boss, my extrude parameter is 60 mm. Click this face and click sketch. Active circle, click this point to this point. Active smart dimension, my circle diameter is 50 mm. Active extrude boss, my extrude parameter is 14 mm. Active plane, choose top plane for reference and make distance 48 mm. Click this plane, click sketch. Active circle, click this point to this point. Click this point and this point, make vertical. Active smart dimension, my circle diameter is 30 mm. Click this point and this point, make 20 mm. Active extrude boss, choose up to surface, click the surface. OK. Hide this plane. Click this face, click sketch. Active circle, click this point to this point. Active smart dimension, make the circle diameter is 20 mm. Active extrude cut, choose direction through all. OK. Active section view, choose right plane. OK. Click this face, click sketch. Active circle, click this point to this point. Active smart dimension, my circle diameter is 15 mm. Active extrude cut, cut the solid body. OK. Click this face, click sketch. Active circle, click this point to this point. Active smart dimension, make the circle diameter is 40 mm. Active extrude cut, make extrude parameter is 61.5 mm. OK. Active jumper, make jumper parameter is 1 mm. Click this edge, this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge. OK. Active domestic thread. Click this edge. Choose true. Okay. If you wanna show a domestic thread, go to option. Click document properties. Click detailing. Check shaded domestic thread. Okay. See, domestic thread show it. Active domestic thread again. Create this edge. Sorry, not this edge. Go to domestic thread feature. Delete this edge and click this edge. Okay. Active domestic thread. Click this edge. Okay. Sorry, this thread wrong. Delete this domestic thread. Go to domestic thread. Click this edge. Okay. The thread is still wrong. Go to this domestic thread. Choose another size. Okay, see? Now we choose material. Go to edit material. Choose cast carbon steel. Click apply. Close. See, the block is ready. Now we make barrel. Go to from plane. Active circle. Click from this point to this point. Active smart dimension. My circle diameter is 68 mm. Active extrude boss. My extrude parameter is 80 mm. Okay. Click this face. Click sketch. Active circle, click this point to this point, active smart dimension, my circle diameter is 50 mm. Active extrude cut, my extrude cut parameter is 20 mm. Okay. Click this face, click sketch. Active circle, click this point to this point. Active smart dimension. Max circle diameter is 20 mm. Active extrude cut. My extrude cut parameter is 54 mm. Okay. Active hole wizard. Choose this type. Go to position, click this face, and click this point. Okay. Active comestic thread. Click this edge. OK. Go to top plane. Active center line. Click this point to this point. Active rectangle. Click this point to this point. Active smart dimension. Click this line and click this center line. Make distance 20 mm. Click this line and this line. Make distance 20 mm. Active mirror. Select this rectangle. Click the center line for mirror about. OK. Active extrude cut. Choose through all bolt. OK. Active jumper. Jumper parameter is 1 mm. Click this edge and all this edge. OK. Now we will choose material. Go to edit material. Choose cast carbon steel. Click apply. See, barrel is ready. Now we make a piston. Go to front plane. Active circle. Click this point to this point. Active smart dimension. My circle diameter is 40 mm. Active extrude boss. My extrude parameter is 15 mm. OK. Click this face. Click sketch. Active circle. Click this point to this point. Active smart dimension. My circle diameter is 20 mm. Active extrude boss. My extrude parameter is 75 mm. Click this face, click sketch. Active circle, click this point to this point. Make the circle diameter is 18 mm. Active extrude cut. My extrude cut parameter is 1 mm. OK. Active jumper. Make jumper parameter is 0.5 mm. Click all edge. OK. Choose piston material IC 1035 steel. Click apply. Now piston is ready. Next step, we will assembly piston valve. First, insert block. Make this block float. Click front plane and block front plane. Make coincident. Top plane and top plane make coincident. click right plane, and right plane make coincident. I forgot something. Go to this block part. Active fillet. Make fillet parameter is 1 mm. Click this edge, and this edge. OK. Go to assembly again, save it, and click yes. Insert another part. Click this face and this face, make concentric. Click this face and this face, make coincident. Click this face and click this right plane, make parallel. Make transparent this border. Active section view. Choose right plane. Click this face and this face, make concentric. Click this face and this face, make distance made 15 mm. OK. Now make this ball. Click this face and this face, make concentric. Click this face and this face, make coincident. See, piston valve is ready. You can change distance made parameter like this. Change 1 mm. Active rubber. And change 15 mm. Active rubber again. See? I think it's the end tutorial. I hope you like it and enjoy it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.